y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I am just about to go through a stitch fix because I wanted to, you know, you have 3 days to turn around, that's why. But I've been out in the yard working, and so I freshened up a little tiny bit, and then I am going to need to go back out and finish work in the yard. But I told my husband, he goes, "Where are you going?" I said, "I got to go do a quick video." And he says, "Because of your stitch fix," and I said, yes. So, again, I didn't bring the whole box up. I just brought its interior, and I have to say, it just fell out, but it's nicely wrapped. And let's just take what fell out first, and that looks like a shirt. You know, there's always grays involved, which that's okay. Excuse me, I had a little belch. There's grays involved, and they are giving me these three-quarter sleeves, which I don't know if I even asked for that in the beginning, but I love that. Love that this has got a beautiful little kind of vanilla to melon orange colored flowers on gray and cream and black. And that will go with a lot of the themes that I have. Again, I love the sleeve. I love that it's ruched and it's got the button that holds it up, because I always leave that button because I just like it. And this is made by Paper Moon. The front is not buttoned. It is a V-neck, which I prefer to a round neck. Round necks just, I mean, they're everything, but it does make you look wider. A V-neck makes you look a little slimmer. And I do like that. And being that it's the same size and kind of that same airy material I'm used to, I'm thinking this will fit fine. Oh, I just noticed it has butterflies, y'all. Can y'all see the little butterflies? Look right here. Let me show you. Look at the little butterfly right there. That's pretty. That's pretty. It's not your typical spring colors. But not everything is, you know, pink and blue and red and white. This is kind of like, actually it's the color of the flowers in my garden. If any of you follow my Instagram, I've got pictures, or I'm fixing to put up pictures of they're called firecracker roses. And they're kind of orange with a yellow, and so as they unbloom, they look like almost like a white yellow with a touch of orange. And they're very, very pretty. Look, there's a little ladybug. Do y'all see the little ladybug right there by my thumb? Look at my nails. They just broke again. I need to get back on Color Street. My friend who sells Color Street is going to be telling me that. We're getting together my order. And Color Street is where, you know, you literally put like a sticker over your nail, and but it's really fingernail polish, and it does help your nails to grow. It did make a difference for me. Okay, and then this is what I do love about I started to say HelloFresh because it says, "Oh, hello." I am still doing a HelloFresh, and I still love it. I'll do an update on that later. But on the Stitch Fix, it says, "Oh, hello." And inside, what I like, it says, "Thanks for letting us style for you." And in this kind of Tiffany blue color or teal color paper is what you ordered. And it says the style name, the color, the size, and the cost. And yes, if I see something and I'm borderlining and it's the most expensive thing in here, like these jeans, the Slant Jeans are very, very expensive. They're $88. But I've got friends of mine who have ordered $200 pair, and then they'll go to Walmart and get a $20 pair. It just depends on if you like them or not, if you think it's worth that money. Or if you have the money to spare. If you don't, you know, this will be one you send back. But the other thing that I like, oh, there must be a pair of earrings in here, is they send you a picture of how you can style it. Not everything in here was sent to you. It's usually the central item. So here it is an Edith Lattice detailed knit dress, and it shows you can put a sweater and some flats and a cute black bag, or a long burgundy raincoat and little kitten pumps and a black handbag. So that's the dressy side, that's the casual side, and they do that both ways. They have these Slant Jeans that are so fancy. They have a real fancy top and some heels, and over here they have kind of a sweater and some tennis shoes. Over here they show, this is another pair of jeans, and I do need a pair of jeans. My husband told me today when I was bending over working, he goes, "Babe, the jeans are just about to bite the dust." And I said, "I know, I've been wearing them forever." These were from, who are these from? I think Just Fab, back when I had a subscription with them. So they're very old, and they have worn well. And they're skinny ankle jeans, and they're just about worn out. So I do need these. These are ankle skinny jeans, Liverpool. And they show kind of a fun sweater and a mule slide-on, and then it's just kind of a dressier silky top and a dressier flat shoe, both flat shoes. Here they show the split neck blouse I just showed you with tennis shoes, a casual slouchy bag, and some jeans. And over here it shows some nice slacks, some little ankle boots, and a more structured bag. So, and also these earrings. So, I like that it gives you suggestions. Because what that does is it makes me think, oh, I've got those other pieces in my wardrobe. So it teaches you how to use what you have with what you just got. And if it just doesn't work, send it back. So, oh, this must be the dress. Okay. What do I like about this? What they didn't show you in there, this is lattice work, right? What you don't see, unless you look up close, is that the color background is emerald and burgundy in that black. It's not just black and white. Okay. Oh, in the front, do y'all see this? It's vented. That's kind of neat. I don't like that they're cap sleeves. Cap sleeves, when you have a big fatty arm, it just highlights how fat they are. I like 3/4. Just kind of, yeah, hide this. But, so what that would mean is you'd have to wear some sort of a little jacket top with it. That's not a good feature for me. We'll have to see how this fits, but I have a funny feeling this little guy will go back. Yeah, this will probably go back. Even though I like it, again, this is looking a little fall-winter to me. It's not looking, I mean, the spring is okay because it's the flowers, but it's black and white, but then the background covers are teal and this kind of purpley magenta, that's not very spring or summer. We'll see. I have to see how does it fit. If it fits so incredible I just can't send it back, then I'll keep it. Here's the earrings. Comes in a little box. And they're very pretty. Now, here's what I'll tell you about these. These are beautiful, y'all. That would be a great gift. Those are very elegant and very pretty. Very pretty. Will I keep those? That would look beautiful with this. Look at the color. It's kind of like a gray gold. And it's jewelry. Very jeweled. That'd be beautiful with that. Or I could give it as a gift because I have so many earrings. I keep forgetting to tell them no jewelry. Because what you can do is you can change it up at any time. But these are really beautiful, y'all. These are made by Maryland Shift. And I do like them a lot. Okay, so here's the fancy jeans. Obviously, I'm not going to try them on for you, but these are the Slant Jeans. And these are they're slim fit. I'm going to have to try them on and see how they fit. Because honestly, I did like the other ones. What didn't I like about them? The color. The color was too light. So we'll see how these work. I think I really did love these, actually, the way they fit. So we'll have to see because they're still very expensive. So it's whether or not it's worth the money to have a new pair of jeans. Because these jeans that I've got on from Just Fab were probably somewhere between $20 and $30. And I've worn them for 5 years, almost weekly. And that's why they're just worn out. Then I got another pair of these Liverpool LA jeans. These are dark jeans. And these are the skinny ankle ones. And they're high-rise, so we'll see. You know. And they're really strong contrast stitching. Whereas these were tone-on-tone stitching. Not contrast. So they're very different looking jeans. Plus these are almost a teal looking color, aren't they? Than regular jeans. That'd be really pretty with something like that. That'd be really pretty with cream colors and warm colors. Whereas this would be really good with white tones and black tones and more strong tones. This almost looks like a black jean. So I'll have to try on both these jeans and see how they do. So what is my initial thoughts? Still like Stitch Fix. Every time I think about canceling with them, I get something in like this that I think, I actually like that a lot. I'll keep going with them. And I really love these earrings. Those would be so pretty. Wouldn't that be pretty for the giveaway? I don't know. Am I going to keep them or give them away? I don't know. They look really good with that top. Because it's not white stones. They're almost like gray stones. But they're sparkly. And I think they'd be perfect for that top. Which is probably why they put them in. Again, if you look at the little, this little thing, it'll show you. Who did they suggest the earrings with? I bet the dress. None. They didn't put these earrings in anywhere. Have we captured your style? Teresa Pave open shape drop earrings. Yes, they did. That is what I like. Again, looking at this, I think the thing that I'm going to send back is the dress. If both the jeans fit well, I may keep them both because I need jeans. I have jeans, but they're all worn out. It's time to get rid of the ones that are just about worn out. And I think I really like the top. I've noticed that a lot of shirts I get from them have a lot of gray backdrop to them. Like, for instance, I just happen to still have this on my desk, and I think this is from the last Stitch Fix. Is that what this is? And it has gray. I'm not really sure. Let's pull this out. See how it's black gray, and it's almost, you know, cheetah's very popular, but that is cool. Oh, I love this one. How did I miss this? Did I just not get it out of the last box? Because I do like the sleeves, very stretchy, and it's peplum, meaning it's pleated right at the waist, then it goes out. And that would be, you could so dress this up, and yet it's long enough, you could wear it with like black leggings, and it could be casual, or you could wear it with a pencil skirt, a black pencil skirt, or either this color gray pencil skirt, or even like a red or a yellow, like a bright color on the bottom, and this would calm it down and wear those earrings. That would be a really cute outfit. So this is a definite keeper. So see, again, as much as I think I don't need any more clothes, I end up thinking, well, you kind of do. You need to kind of update your clothing. I am going to need to see the more springy stuff coming in, since we're coming into the end of spring, early summer. That one was more like a knit, which is hot in the summer, but this is very sheer, and being very nice, light, and cool. It could be worn with a pair of jeans and ankle boots, or it could be worn with a skirt or leggings. I mean, so this could have a lot of, it could go anything from dressy to casual. And that's what I'm looking for, something that can go either way. So, anyway, what do y'all think? I can't tell how much time we've got left. Just enough that I can put on some lipstick. How many people put lipstick on? My husband saw me, and I guess it was a couple weeks ago, and I had my makeup on, and I was outside working in the yard. And one of my friends said, who goes and puts makeup on to work in the yard? And he goes, my wife. And he was proud of it. He likes that I'm a pretty girly girl. I think that's good. Anyway, so that's the different things, and I think of all the things, I will probably send this one back. Even though I think it's pretty, I think if I send anything back, it will be these, or if the jeans don't fit